Listen and repeat.
Excuse me, I'm lost. How can I get to the train station? Excuse me, I'm lost. How can I get to the train station?
Go straight and turn right. Go straight and turn right.
What time is it? What time is it?
It's 12 o'clock sharp. It's 12 o'clock sharp.
What day is it today? What day is it today?
Today is Monday. Today is Monday.
Where do you live? Where do you live?
I live in Las Vegas. I live in Las Vegas.
What's the weather like today? What's the weather like today?
It's sunny. It's sunny.
It's cloudy. It's cloudy.
It's rainy. It's rainy.
What do you like to do for fun? What do you like to do for fun?
I like to read. I like to read.
I like watching movies. I like watching movies.
I like to go hiking. I like to go hiking.
What's your favorite food? What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza. My favorite food is pizza.
Do you have any pets? Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat and a dog. Yes, I have a cat and a dog.
What's your favorite animal? What's your favorite animal?
I like dogs. I like dogs.
I like cats. I like cats.
I like birds. I like birds.
Can you repeat that, please? I don't understand. Can you repeat that, please? I don't understand. Where can I buy groceries? Where can I buy groceries?
You can buy it at grocery store. You can buy it at grocery store.
What would you like to eat and drink? What would you like to eat and drink?
I'll have a burger and a soda. Thank you. I'll have a burger and a soda. Thank you.
Where is the restroom? Where is the restroom?
It is right behind the corner. It is right behind the corner.
How do you do? How do you do?
I'm doing well, thank you. I'm doing well, thank you.
What's your favorite hobby? What's your favorite hobby?
I enjoy painting. I enjoy painting.
I enjoy playing sports. I enjoy playing sports.
I enjoy reading. I enjoy reading.
Where did you go last weekend? Where did you go last weekend?
I went to the park. I went to the park.
I went to the movies. I went to the movies.
I went to the museum. I went to the museum.
Can you swim? Can you swim?
No, I can't swim, but I want to learn. No, I can't swim, but I want to learn.
How many siblings do you have? How many siblings do you have?
I have one sibling. I have one sibling.
I have 2 siblings. I have 2 siblings.
I have 3 siblings. I have 3 siblings. What's your favorite subject in school? What's your favorite subject in school?
I like math, science, and history. I like math, science, and history.
Do you have any allergies? Do you have any allergies?
Yes, I'm allergic to nuts. Yes, I'm allergic to nuts.
What time do you wake up? What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m. I wake up at 7 a.m.
What's your favorite season? What's your favorite season?
I like summer. I like summer.
I like fall. I like fall.
I like winter. I like winter.
I like spring. I like spring.
Can you lend me a pen, please? Can you lend me a pen, please?
Sure, here you go. Sure, here you go.
What's your dream job? What's your dream job?
I want to be a doctor. I want to be a doctor.
I want to be a teacher. I want to be a teacher.
I want to be an artist. I want to be an artist.
Can you help me, please? Can you help me, please?
Of course. Of course.